Hello everyone, this is Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. I'm the English teacher on this channel. Welcome back. I'm sorry, not many videos recently. I'm having a bad time. Last year I met someone terrible, a woman as you might guess, and she destroyed me. So I'm not well. I'm getting better, I think, and I'm going to try to make some more videos now. So please do stay with me, stay tuned, and I appreciate your support. This one is about an important bit of vocabulary, a common mistake that some people make, especially people from China and India. Two words, drunk and high. It depends on what you take or drink that makes you feel a certain way. If you drink too much alcohol, you become drunk, not high. This is quite important. So to do with alcohol and drinking, you become drunk. For other drugs, you become high. The difference is clear and important. For alcohol, it's always drunk. There are other words like drunk, but drunk is the usual one. For other drugs, ones that you smoke or inhale or other things, then it's high. Please take care of this. Alcohol, drunk. Other drugs, high. The common mistake is when someone drinks too much alcohol, sometimes people say they are high. This is not correct in English. It means something different. So it's really strange. It's completely wrong. If you don't know about this, please take care about this common thing, drunk and high. I hope it's clear. One quick example then. My friend Stephen had too much to drink last night. How did he become? Drunk or high? The answer is drunk, because he drank alcohol. We are finished with this. I hope it's clear. Please write to me, send comments, feedback, any questions. You're always welcome. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, join me on YouTube, Facebook, the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, Instagram as well. I will try to publish more lessons more frequently in the near future, and do let me know if you have any questions or ideas about it. Thanks again. My name is Chris. I will see you soon.